Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So before we look at the other characteristics, we are going to have a diagram showing the structure of a bacterium. Bacterium is when it is one. When there are many, they are called bacteria. So bacteria is the plural, bacterium is the singular. So we are going to have a diagram of a bacterium. So we are going to look at a general structure of a bacterium. And when a student is drawing a diagram in biology, you should make sure that that diagram is not shaded. It's not supposed to be shaded. So we shall label our diagram. The first structure here, we refer to it as a flagellum. Then we have the cell wall. We have the cell membrane. Then we have the cytoplasm. And then we have finally the nuclear material. The nuclear material. So this is a general structure of a bacterium. And as I said, bacteria is plural. So bacterium is the singular. So I want us to look at that diagram with the reference to the characteristics. The first characteristic is that it is unicellular. It's a single cell, as you've seen. The other thing that we have seen from the characteristics is that it has a cell wall. The cell wall is shown here as the outermost wall, but that cell wall is not made of cellulose. The third characteristic that we have learned is that it is prokaryotic, means that it lacks a nuclear membrane. It doesn't have a nuclear membrane. So you can see the nuclear material is not enclosed by a nuclear membrane like we find in other cells. So we are going to stop there with the characteristics.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.